Well, today is a day that comes once every single year, and we've been celebrating this man for a long time now. The Argentina Football Fan Club has started celebrating these Argentinian icons. Like it started from celebrating Maradona, now we are celebrating Lionel Messi. I think the whole objective of this celebration is to promote football amongst every single youngster out there who dreams to becoming a footballer, who watches Lionel Messi score from 30 meters outside of the goal. I think that is the dream. That is what the objective of this organization is. And we shall continue to celebrate this man every single year. And today we have gathered here all at the Argentina Football Fan Club, all us fans in Kolkata. And we are cutting this cake, this beautiful 5x3 cake in front of you. All the fans, everybody out here, we are going to continue to do this till the end of time and pass it on to our children and the future members of Argentina Football Fan Club.
Cake you are on the stadium, like stadium and football ground, you can create. What's the material you used and what is the size of this cake?
Well, this is a very tasty cake. The taste just increases every single year. And this is a very creamy cake. As you can see, it's a football ground. The place where Lionel Messi was made, the home ground, the home of Lionel Messi's football. The thing that we love about Lionel Messi the most is his game in this very pitch. That's what we have here, the most important and the most delicate and the most delicious memory right in front of us. We're going to continue to celebrate this man till the end of time because what he has given to us fans is something that is just priceless.
How many years you can celebrate this match?
We've been celebrating Lionel Messi for over 20 years now, and we are going to continue to do that. The main objective of all of this, doing all of this, is to make sure that every single youngster out there who thinks that he wants to become a footballer should not be worried about it. He should be confident about it. When he watches Lionel Messi score from 30 yards away from the goal, I think he should be extremely confident about it that he can do that one day too for this country. I think that is the main objective of all of this. We've been loving football, we've been loving Messi, Maradona for a long time, and we're going to continue to do that.
You are also watching Messi's match in stadium. You can go to World Cup.
Of course. I had the opportunity of watching Lionel Messi play once in China, but my father had the opportunity to go to a lot of World Cups. He's watched Messi right in front of him, and he had the opportunity to watch Lionel Messi lift the World Cup. I think that memory is definitely priceless. He's been putting all of his efforts in this organization, bringing everybody together, and watching Lionel Messi lift the World Cup after so much efforts, I think is extremely priceless. Absolutely. It's been a great journey for us, and we are loving it that we are here today. Lionel Messi has lifted the World Cup. The dream has come true, and hopefully he's going to lift the Club World Cup too. We all are going to see you guys there again.
Next World Cup in 2026. What do you want to say on this Messi's match?
If the way the Argentinian squad is working right now, I'm pretty sure that the Argentinian squad is going to lift the upcoming World Cup too, hopefully beating Ronaldo in the finals.
So, what's your message on Messi?
Well, he's a god to us, and he's nothing less than a god to us. He is what we understand about football. When we think about football, it's Lionel Messi that comes to our mind. The way he plays on the pitch is absolutely extraordinary. The way he dribbles the ball, the way he kicks the ball, the way he plays football, he